In this video, I will show you how to sell digital products on Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over in here on your products. And then from in here, you can see all the products that you're actually selling. So right now, let's click on this add product. And then for this one, we just need to enter in here the title. So for this, I will enter in here PPT template. So I will be selling here a template for the PowerPoint right here. So I can actually sell that on Shopify. Now you can actually enter in here a description. You can use your AI right here in order to generate a description using the features and keywords that you have provided. So this is my description. Make sure the status is active. And once you have scrolled down, you can see in here the media. So you can upload medias right here. You can also add from URL that you want. It totally depends on you which ones you want. So for this one, I will only add some placeholder images. So you can add the actual mock-up of the digital product that you have. So the category right here is unusual, will be business and industrial. You can also put in here some digital goods. You can search for that right here. It can be digital artwork, digital note-taking pens, or anything that is actually digital. So for this one, I'll choose digital artwork. And let's make this into a product type of template. And then you can put in here the pricing wherein you want to actually sell it. And then you can charge tax and you can put in here the cost per item. So I'll enter in the 0 since I actually made this from scratch. And I have 100% profit. So we can also track the inventory for this one. So you can also not track it because it's a digital product, you will not run out of inventory. Now in here, you can see that this has the shipping. So you need to uncheck this, which is the option for this episode product. We need to uncheck this because your actual store is actually a digital product right here. So you can also add in here variants, sizes, and colors, but it's only applicable if you have multiple templates that you have available right here. So you can also set up your store for digital product or services. Before you do that, click on Save right here. Now that our product has been saved, we can scroll down and we can see in here this digital products or services option. Once you have head over to that particular link, it will open this particular tab right here, wherein you can see the help center for selling services and digital products, wherein you can remove shipping, digital download apps. You can head over to this particular thing right here, and as you can see, we already done this desktop right here. And once you have done that, we should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.